Welcome aboard the MJM Yachts 43Z, an impressive and feature-rich performance yacht capable of entertaining large groups of friends and family, or for comfortable live-aboard couples cruising. When you first cast your eyes, one of her most recognizable features is the beautiful open design. With port and starboard sideboarding doors, they open onto a flush deck layout all the way from the walk-through transom up to the helm. The large, bright, and airy pilot house transforms with electrically opening front windows, sliding side windows, and an opening aft section to let you enjoy your surroundings as if you are sitting on a summer porch. The oversized swim platform with cleats and large cockpit with movable chairs, stemware storage, and an ice maker clearly announce the 43Z is ready for water sports fun, relaxation, or entertaining. Back inside the pilot house, the entertaining continues with a beautiful folding 2-leaf teak table for dining, which can also be moved back out to the cockpit. There's even a fold-down flat-screen TV for watching the game or your favorite MJM Yachts videos. We head below through a stunning teak companionway, the top hatch of which serves as a full-sized charting table when underway. Below decks is classic nautical styling perfection, with a teak and holly sole and stair treads, a classic Herreshoff-inspired design with American cherry, and a relaxing dinette to starboard with an excellently positioned large window. To port is an intuitively laid out full galley with over-under refrigerator, under-counter freezer, cooktop, sink, and plenty of cherry storage cabinets, with dovetailed joiner work to boot. The shower is located to starboard full forward, is flooded with natural light, and has a convenient bench. And to port is the head with 2 entry doors. That way you have day access and private access from the master. We enter the master through a 2-panel privacy door and find a queen-size berth, 2 windows, 2 port lights, 2 overhead hatches, along with hanging storage to port and more storage to starboard. Speaking of storage, the 43Z IPS has loads: an underberth chest of drawers, 2 insole lockers that can accommodate 4 rollerboards, under the dinette seating, huge storage port and starboard under the settees in the pilot house, and little drawers and nooks all over the place. That's our look at some of the features of the MJM Yachts 43Z IPS-powered performance yacht. For more information, please visit www.mjmyachts.com.